Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good evening, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, Harshit?
Ma'am, I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay. Good evening, Trilokya.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, beta?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Yes, Neha. How are you?
Good, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Good evening, Adya. Good evening, Adya.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, beta?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
Okay. Okay. So in our last class, we were studying about mensurations, right? We started with perimeter. And I had given you some questions also. Some shapes were given. You were asked to find the perimeters of those. Were you able to do that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Anyone who faced any difficulty in that? Are all okay? Okay. So let's continue with that. Okay. Today we'll do some more statement sums on perimeter, right? And then we'll move to area. Yeah, I'm sharing the screen. Okay, we'll do these questions. Okay. Today is 16th. Okay, children. Let's see here. Some word problems are here. A rectangle's perimeter is 64 meters. The rectangle is 24 meters long. What is its width? Width means the breadth. You know the length and the breadth, no? Yes? The longer side is the
Yes,
length. The other side is the breadth. Okay? So the perimeter of a rectangle is given to us in the question. So it's a statement sum. In your notebook, you will be doing with the statements. Please start doing. First, write the first statement, whatever is given to you. The rectangle's perimeter is given to you. Its length is given. You have to find the width. Okay. Tell me, Trilokya, what is the first statement?
Ma'am, the first statement is the rectangle's perimeter is 64 meters.
Very good. The next statement.
Rectangle's length is 24 meters.
Great. Very good. And then
Rectangle's breadth is equal to
how will you find out the breadth? See the perimeter. What is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle? We did it last time.
2 into L plus B.
Very nice. 2 into L plus B. Okay. This is plus. Okay. Now perimeter is already given to you. This is given. The length is given. This is 64 meters is equal to 2 into 24 plus breadth. Breadth is not given to us, so we will just write B here. Right? So
Yeah.
what will you do here? This 2 is multiplying here. I'll take it on the other side. It will become divide here like this. When something changes its place from to the other side of equal to, the operation gets changes. This will become divide here. Yes.
Yes.
So now on my right hand side, I have just 24 plus B left. Right?
Yes.
So this will, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, others also please pay attention. So when you divide 64 by 2, this will be 32. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. This is 32. And on the right hand side, you have 24 plus B like this. And now your B will be what? I will take this 24. On the left hand side, it will become minus this side.
Yes.
Yes. So 32 minus 24 will be 8, which is equal to B. So that means I'll just write it properly that the breadth is 8 meters. Yes?
Oh. Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone? Neha, Harshit, Adya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good beta. Why the videos are off, but okay, now see the second question. The part is 40 meters long and 30 meters wide. Find its perimeter. Please do it. Everyone should do it in their notebooks, and I can ask anyone now.
Mama did it.
Okay, good beta. Yes, Neha, tell me what is the first statement?
Mom, length of the part.
Length of the park. Okay. The length of the park is how much?
40 meters.
40 meters. And then what is next?
The width is 30 meters.
Width is 30 meters. Very nice. Okay, then perimeter.
So perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B,
Very good.
which is 2 into 40 plus 30,
40 plus 30. Okay.
which is 2 into 70.
Yes.
And the final answer is 140 meters.
140 meters. Very good. This was a direct question, right?
Yes,
Good, Vijay. The length breadth was given. You just had to put the values and find out.
yes.
Okay. Okay, do the next. Okay, this question, leave question number 3 for now. Take this question for homework, this activity, okay? Find the perimeter of any table at your home or school and write in meters. So whatever study table you have at home, you will find its perimeter, okay? And write it in meters. Okay, whatever you do, whether you are measuring with a scale in centimeters, but then you have to convert it to meters, right? Yes, Abhya?
Ma'am, now only I did this homework, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, never mind. You can find out for more tables and dining table and other things also. Okay, good beta, good Adya. Okay. Now see the next question. A rectangular piece of cheese is 12 centimeters long and 4 centimeters wide. What is its perimeter? Please do this question.
Ma'am, I got the fourth answer.
Okay, very good, Adya. Tell me, what is the first statement?
Length is equals to 12, ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Wide is equals to 4. Perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B is equals to 2 into 12 plus 4 is equals to 2 into 16 is equals to 32 centimeters.
Okay, very good. Very good, Abhya. Good, beta. Okay, very nice. Let's do some more questions. Okay, take another question now. Find the cost. Please write down. Find the cost of fencing. You know what is fencing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Making the boundary. Okay. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length. Please write down the question also. Of length 150 meter and breadth 100 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. Per meter means for 1 meter the cost of fencing is 20 rupees. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So per means for 1 meter. Okay. Per means 1 meter. Okay, now the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length. Length is given to 150 meters. So please write your statement. The length is given to you. The breadth is given to you. So what will you do in the first case? Trilokya will tell me. One second, one second. I'll ask everyone. Yes, Trilokya, what will you do first?
Ma'am, first we will write length is equal to 150 meters.
Yes.
Then breadth is equal to 100 meters.
Yes.
Then
Yes. Then what will you do next? What will you do with length and breadth?
we have to find the perimeter.
Very good. You will first find the perimeter. Okay. And then you are given the cost of 1 meter of fencing. If you have to fence the boundary, for 1 meter cost is given 20 rupees. Okay. So that means for the complete boundary, what will you do? You will multiply the whole of the perimeter, whatever you have got the perimeter, with 20 rupees. Do. Okay. Do.
Ma'am, I have got the cost.
Okay, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, I already got the answer.
Very good. Adya, tell me the first statement.
Ma'am, the length is equals to 150. The breadth is equal
Wait,
to
wait.
100 meters.
Wait. Just one first statement, okay? Length of rectangle, length of part, I think, is 150. I'll ask each one, okay? Length of part is 150 meters. Okay, Neha, next statement.
Ma'am, breadth of the part,
Breadth of the part is how much?
100 meters.
100 meters. Good. Okay, Harshit. Harshit is here.
Ma'am, Harshit is not here.
Harshit. Okay. Yes, Trilokya, what is the next statement?
Yes, ma'am. The perimeter of the park is equal to 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 150 plus
2
100.
into L plus B. So I'll put the values of length and breadth here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you can carry on, beta. Do. Let me ask somebody else now. Next, Adya. Adya, tell me.
Ma'am, 2 into 250, ma'am.
Okay, then.
Ma'am, is equals to 500.
Okay, very good. Next, Neha.
Ma'am, we need to multiply 500 by 20 as each. No. 500 by 2.
500 multiplied by
2.
220 rupees, no?
Yes.
500 meters into rupees 20. Is it?
Yes.
We are finding for the whole of this, no?
Yes.
That means 5 into 2 is 10, and then we have 3 zeros like this. So this is rupees 10,000. So the total cost of fencing is
10,000.
10,000. Okay, good, beta. Done, everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Let's take another question. This was question number, those were 4. This was 5th question. Now we have 6th question here. Okay. Let's take a ratio one. Okay. Please take, write down the perimeter of a rectangle. Not rectangle, it's a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is 540 meters and its sides are 25 is to 17 is to 12. Now see, the sides are given in ratios. Okay. 25 is to 17 is to 12. Find the measurement. Find the measurement of each of its sides. Okay. So you have to find all the sides of a triangle, but the sides are given in the ratio form. Now see, we are already given the perimeter. So we know that perimeter of a triangle is sum of all sides. So that is side 1. Okay, we can write here like this, side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Is it? We can write like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Lengths of all sides, but we don't know any of the sides. And sides are given to us in the ratio form. That means it's the ratio. This is not exactly the length. This is a ratio. You understand between ratio? Suppose if I have one side as 4 centimeters, just take it as, it's just assume that one side is 4 centimeter, other side is 8 centimeters. Okay, another side is suppose 6 centimeters. So what will be the ratio of this? If I can divide this by 2, this will be 2 is to 4 is to 3. I can write it. It is in this ratio. Ratio means what? When you divide something. Is it? 4 by 8 can be written as 1 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. So that's the ratio. Okay. But 1 by 2 is not the length. Okay. 2, 4, 3 is not the length. This is just a ratio. Right? So, what we will do now, okay, we will just assume, let one side of a triangle be, one side of a triangle be 25x. Okay, we are just taking it. That means ratio multiplied by some number will give us the exact length. Is it? You agree to that? The ratio multiplied with some number x. We have to find this x now. What is that hidden number? Okay, so multiplied with x will give us the exact side of the triangle. So let's one side of the triangle be 25x. Then second side will be other side of a triangle can be taken as 17x. Yes, we can take it. And the third side, we'll take it as 12x. Okay? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now when we add up all these sides, 25x plus 17x plus 12x. Now this is the exact length of the sides of the triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be equal to 540 meters, which is already given to us, the perimeter. Yes, it's already given in the question.
Yes,
Okay, now we have, when we add all these numbers, what do you get? 25 plus 17 plus 12. Add and tell me. 25, 17 and 12. Quickly add.
ma'am. 54. X.
54. Okay. So that's 54x. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be 54x, which is equal to 540 meters. Okay, from here, can we find the value of x? We keep our x here, and now 54 is multiplying with x. When I take it on the other side, it will be dividing.
Yes, ma'am.
It will divide with the number here, no? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Trilokya?
Yes.
You understand this?
Yes.
How did it divide? Why it is dividing here?
Because when we bring 54 to the other side, when we 54 multiplied by x, when we bring it to the other side, it's 540 divided by 54.
Yes. So always when something is multiplying here, when it goes on the other side of equal to, it becomes divide. Multiply always changes to divide. And if it is divide, that changes to multiply. If it is plus something which is adding on one side, on the other side, it will go and subtract. So same way, subtract changes to addition. Okay. So here it is multiplying, so it is getting divided here. So 54 and here it will be 10. 54 ones are and 54 1 and 10. So this is 10. Value of your x is 10. Okay, now we will put this value of x in this. So since this was first side was 25x. So when I multiply this with 10, this will be 250 meters. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And this one will be 170 meters. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And this one will be 120 meters. Right? All right. So I've just shown you here and we'll write it properly below this. So this implies that length of one side is equal to 25x, which is equal to 25 into 10, which is equal to 250 meters, right? Then length of other side will be equal to 17x, which is equal to 17 into 10, which is equal to 170 meters. Okay. And similarly, we have length of third side is equal to 12x, which is equal to 12 into 10, which is equal to 120 meters. Okay? You get it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So this is the way you should write. Okay. Now see the next question. Okay, take the next question. Gopi runs around a rectangular park. Gopi runs around a rectangular park with length with length 50 meter and breadth 35 meter. Mohan, this is another child, Mohan, who runs around a square park. Okay, Gopi ran around a rectangular park and Mohan is running around a square park of side 65 meters. Who covers more distance? Who covers more distance? This you have to find out. Okay. Okay, Adya will tell me. Adya, what will you do in this case? Just tell me first.
Ma'am, perimeter.
First you will find the perimeter. Then what? Then what will you do?
Ma'am, first we find the both perimeters and we have to compare the both perimeters.
Very nice. Good. First you will find both the perimeters. Okay. Of a rectangular park also, of a square also, and then you will compare. Good, beta. Carry on, please do.
That, ma'am.
Okay, beta, just a second. I'll take answer from you now.
4, ma'am.
Okay, Richi. Okay. So one by one, Trilokya, tell me how much is the perimeter of a rectangular park?
Ma'am, I got 170 meters.
Perimeter of rectangular park. Okay, children, I'm just writing down the rectangular park perimeter, right? I'm not writing the whole length, breadth, and each statement. Perimeter of a rectangular park is how much?
170 meters.
170 meters. Have all got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, now Neha will tell me, Neha, what is the perimeter of a square park?
Ma'am, perimeter of the square park, I got 250 meters.
250 meters. Okay. Have all got the same? Have all
Yes.
got the same answer for a square park?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Trilokya, you also got the same answer for a square park?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Adya, tell me who covered more distance? This was done by Gopi.
Ma'am, Mohan.
Mohan. Okay. Yes, this was done by Gopi and this was done by Mohan. So, we can say that Mohan covered more distance. Okay. Mohan covered more distance. You all understood this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, square perimeter is wrong, ma'am. It's 260.
Which square perimeter? Square perimeter is wrong. It's 260. Then how come you all are
Yes,
saying
ma'am.
you all got the same answer?
Ma'am, I forgot to add the 1. It's 260.
260. Okay. Okay, beta. Okay. Yes, 260 only. So Mohan covered more distance. Okay, children, see here, all these questions we are doing on the perimeter basis. Okay, all these are perimeter based questions. So similarly, we have area also. Area of a rectangle, area of a square. Okay, so we'll come to that part also. So there we have to just apply the area formula. Okay, so I think you must be knowing what is the area of a rectangle.
Yes, ma'am.
What is area of a rectangle?
Ma'am, length into breadth.
Length into breadth. And what is area of a square?
Side into side.
Side into side, because in square all sides are equal. Okay,
Yes.
that's the only difference. Rest everything goes the same. Okay, let's take another question. The length, I thought I would explain you with the area questions also, but now I don't think I'll be able to do that. We'll do it in tomorrow's class. Okay, the length and breadth of a rectangular field. Neha, are you understanding all these questions, what we are doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So please ask. Wherever you don't understand, please ask. Okay? Feel
Okay, ma'am.
free to ask.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, okay. Yes, Trilokya,
Yes, ma'am.
are you understanding these things?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Feel free to ask. Okay? Whatever you don't understand, just tell me, ma'am, that I have not understood this and I'll explain you again.
Okay.
The length and breadth of a rectangular field are in the ratio of 3:2. Now the length and breadth. Now this is a rectangular field. Okay. In the above question, the ratio question, we had done with the triangle. Okay. Now this is a rectangular field. Length and breadth are given in the ratio form. If the perimeter of the field is 80 meters, find its breadth. Okay. Find its breadth. Now length is given 80 meters, perimeter is given 80 meters, you have to find the breadth. Okay. Please do this. So what will you take first? The length and breadth. Yes, Adya will tell me. Adya. Adya.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the length and breadth of a rectangle is equals to 3 ratio of 2.
3:2. No? It's given in the form ratios. So when we take, but these are ratios, these are not actual lengths. Okay, so what we will take, as we had done in the previous question, we will multiply some number x to it. Okay, as we did here, no, we will multiply some number x to it and then we will find that number. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so let the length be
Yep.
3x meters. Yes.
Ma'am, I find the x.
Then we will find x. Okay. Okay. Let the length be 3x meters and let the breadth be 2x meters. Okay. Now we apply the perimeter formula. Perimeter of a rectangle will be, because this is a rectangular field, so we will find the area of a rectangle. This is 2 into L plus B. So our length is 3x and our breadth is 2x. Yes. So 2x plus 3x will be 5x. Yes, children. Perimeter is already given to us. This is 80 meters. So in place of perimeter, I can write 80 here. And 2 into 5 will give me 10. And x, 10x will be 80. From here, I can get value of x. Yes, can I get my value for x? So x will be 80 and 10 when it goes on the other side, it will get divided like this. Okay, so that will give you 8. So now x is 8. X is some number which is 8. So this implies that length of a rectangular part, length of a rectangular part is 3x, which is equal to 3 into 8, which is equal to 24 meters. And breadth of a rectangle is equal to 2x, which is equal to 2 into 8, which is equal to 16 meters. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how you have to, you can even check your answer. How can you check your answer? Just find, now you have length and breadth. Just find out the perimeter and just check whether it is actually 80 or not. Okay, that's the way you can check, no? So for checking, what will you do? Perimeter, you know, it's
Yes, ma'am.
2 into L plus B, which is equal. This is already given. So just check out whether you get both sides equal or not. So this is 24 plus 16. So what is 24 plus 16?
40.
40. So this is 80 and 80. So both left hand side is equal to right hand side. So that shows that your answer is correct. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, children.
Yes.
Yes, Trilokya. Were you able to understand whatever questions we did?
Yes.
Sure. 100%. Okay,
Yes.
then you must practice all these questions. Okay. Everyone must practice. Adya, Neha, Trilokya. Right? Okay.
Yes.
So this is that we did real life word problems. Okay. So please go through whatever classwork has been done after the class, take a break, and then you must practice all the classwork sums. And I'll give you some homework also. Okay. And for this Sunday test, you have objective test where decimals is coming. So please revise the decimal chapter also. And Trilokya, you
Yes.
will find the objective test in the contents section. When you open the WISE app, you can please note down. Adya, you also note down, please. Otherwise, you see, no, ma'am, I didn't get. When you open WISE app, you go under the content. Okay. Under the content, you will find the test section. Okay. This is for objective test. Okay.
Okay.
So you will find their test with the name, decimal, and the date. Date is 18th given there. So that's 18th. Okay. The name of the test. Okay.
Ma'am,
Open wide.
I
Yes.
was not there when you were doing the decimal chapter, so how do
I know you were not there. You can just take it for practice. That's okay. I know you have just joined. Okay, no problem. But have you done that chapter in your school?
We didn't start doing it yet, ma'am.
School,
Last year.
ma'am. Okay, never mind. If you are able to do, then do. Otherwise, it's okay. Just
Ma'am,
take it for.
ma'am, she can see the recordings.
Yes.
She can go through the recordings.
You can just go through the paper. You can see if it is. If you find it okay, you can do it. Otherwise, it's okay.
Okay. Ma'am, also the recordings.
The recordings. Yes, you can see the recordings. Yes. You have the decimal recordings, okay, in the WISE app. You can see the recordings for the chapter that we have done. Okay. Otherwise, when we finish everything, we'll do the revision also. Okay.
Okay.
Sometime later, we'll take the revision of all those chapters what we have already done. So open WISE app, then go to contents. Under the contents, you will get a test section. And there you can open the test. Yes, Adya?
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Okay, beta. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, beta. You too. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.